Hey friends. Okay, so I am back again. This pretty little brown loaf. And I'm going to show you a couple of tricks here. So this is just all-purpose flour. If I fill this thing up too much, I swear it just like does not want to come out. I use the flour the only purpose of the flour is for looks. I like how it looks with the white tops and the crusty brown insides. So if you don't like that, don't do it. If you want all the flour off from when it sat in your refrigerator or your Banneton overnight, then spray it with water and it will all go away. Then you'll have this like smooth, not white top. Sometimes the tops, I mean, can be like annoying because sometimes they make kind of a mess. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do today. I have this just bowl. It's like a, I don't know, cereal bowl. And I'm gonna set it on there and make a round circle-y mark. Then I'm gonna use my dental floss to mark myself some guidelines. Then I'm gonna take this razor. I've only used this guy once, so it's brand new. And I'm going to just go in with this guy and do some weird stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, I don't know. So it's always like I never really know what I'm gonna do. I mean, sometimes I do, but generally speaking, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I think from where I'm sitting, it looks like I'm super, yeah, I am super far over this way. So that's fun. I can work with that, that's okay. It's supposed to be in the middle, but from the angle I'm at, it looked like it was in the middle. It's 100% not in the middle. So, because I did that, I'm gonna maybe forego my circle thing. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do both. I'm trying to figure it out now. Now what do I do? I'm just gonna keep it going. I'm not gonna do my bowl. So what I was originally gonna do with my bowl is cut this big circle and have like a design in the middle of it, but I'll do that next time. I'll do it next time when I actually do it right in the middle. This time it's not middle, so I'm just gonna go with what this weird design I've got going on now. Sometimes you just gotta go with it. If it's not looking right, if you made a mistake, just roll with it. Just get your Bob Ross on. Make it a happy mistake. make like a leaf. Or two. There are no mistakes. So I'm just going around here. I'm not sure how well you can see it. So it's just some like little wheat patterns. Do another leaf. I don't think you'll be able to tell really what it is. Okay. So there's my lopsided flower thing. I need a turntable. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 500 degrees for 20 minutes. Pop the lid off of the Dutch oven. Then I'm gonna place this in for another 25 minutes without the lid. I keep it at 500 degrees the whole time though. So I'll let you know what it looks like when she comes out.